Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 50 by 60 centimetre canvas. There's nothing on it, just some marks where I did wash some paint off, but I'm just going to reuse it. And I have red, cobalt blue, black and white, and I'm going to do 2 flip cups right there, and I'm going to make them similar but not quite the same, and put black around it and what have you. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under this video, and it's coming along, getting the colours in quite easily. White. I have some silicone, maybe a bit of black just on in the middle there, let it sink in. I have silicone in the red and the blue, so hoping for some nice cells perhaps. Trying to be a little bit fast because this part's, you know, kind of ordinary. And I won't worry about the black on that one, and I've still got some paints there, so maybe I can do a 3rd cup. But what I will do with this one is just scratch what's left into the white. One. This one won't have as much paint in it, but that won't matter. Right, 2, and a dribble of black in this one. Oh, a dribble of black in this one. Right, so there we are. Now, if I wipe me and my hands off, piece of cardboard here, just to flip them over. Oops, nearly dropped that one. 2, 3, just put that paint on there. Just giving it a second or 3. To some out, some black around. Okay, spatula. The black. Spread the black out a little bit. Right. Get it off, and here we go. Scraping these cups out. Help the paint run around a bit. No growling, no barking, don't do it. Winston, stop it, bad-tempered little devil. Alright, so I'm just going to give this a bit of a turn around. I'll have to lift her up. Come here. My little dog is a bit too short to jump up on the couch. Doesn't quite, little stumpy legs don't quite get it there for her. So I have to help her. Just take this over to this corner. And then right over, go. Okay, this is looking very pretty. Have it. Okay, so there we have it. That part's done. And how pretty is it? It's looking very good. Just do the edges here, that corner. Yep, this one as well. And I'll come around the other side of you. Whoops. Just a bit there. And do this corner as well. Right, I think it's all pretty much done. I just get it away from the edge, run my fingers around. I'm just giving it a little second to sort of settle a bit. I'm just going to wipe my hands off, go wash them, and then I'm going to give it a little torch. Did I get that bit? No. Okay. That bit's, could miss a couple of bits. There we go. They're done. Oh, this one is really, really pretty. I'm just going to see if we got any magic that might want to happen here with a bit of a torch. get some cells. Come up very nicely. Oh, some pretty ones. Alright, I'll bring you down to take a look because I need to flatten this out. Stand it on some cups or something, and it's a little bit off centre. So that's what I've been looking at, and oh, the colours are really pretty, nice and bright. Some cells down in here. Looks a bit like watermelon, doesn't it? It's a bit hard right to lean over without wearing some what I have in front of me here. Some nice cells in that little cluster. The red and white. It's very pretty. Down here some nice cells. Seems to be more coming up. Well, I'm very pleased that I decided to do that. It's near enough to midnight here at the moment. Very humid and I couldn't sleep, so I thought, why not? As you can see, I have some lovely cells there, and then it comes across into like smoke. Yes, I'm quite impressed with this one. And thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.